Shaira, where you want it? In Kokomo is okay? Kokomo. Okay, let's go to Kokomo. Now 6:15. Oh, this bar already have renovation. Ah, it's your friend, I know.
No, it's
Yes?
not friend.
Not friend, but you seen her before, many times maybe.
Yes. From 2019, I think.
Ah. In Kokomo maybe not available. Inside is also okay. Okay, we're going to Kokomo. Sit inside. I don't know where. This table maybe. Okay, we will sit out inside here. Aircon. Don't have people. Same chicken noodle soup. Because outside don't have space for seat, but here it's good. It's with aircon, not cold here, not hot, not cold, good. Shaira tired?
Hi guys, we just finished it only here in Kokomo with Sir Georgie and Sir Dayon. So we're going home right now.
You say not Mr. because Mr. is official like this. We are not Mr. Okay, Shaira? Our subscriber want just only say Georgi and Leon. Okay? Not need Mr. Now 7:15 walking street. Not me. Shaira, why you so fast? You know I am slowly walk.
I met you once before, like about 3 months ago, and then you went to Thailand.
Where are you from?
California.
From California. You've
Yeah.
been in Thailand before.
I was over there in Phuket probably about 3 months ago.
What you think? Where better?
Huh?
Where better? Philippines or Thailand?
here, if you want to talk to people, because over there it's harder. To
Yes,
talk to.
because English can
The
speak.
language barrier is like really out the wall. But here, I love it here. The people are so much more nicer and pleasant. You know. But,
It's okay, I take video, you,
It's okay,
no
it's okay,
problem,
it's
because
okay.
if you don't like, I can cut video.
no, it's okay. I'm gonna run up and get some food. But hey, it's a pleasure meeting you again.
Thank you,
know,
thank you.
And I want to say thank you for standing up for yourself that one night.
Thank you, thank you.
Guys, you know, it was unfair for you to have that happen. And you stood up for him. I'll see you around. I'll be around for a couple days, but it's a pleasure. All right, I'm glad you made it back.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's go. Hi.